This group consists of Jocelyn Alford, Hannah Estrada, Ileana Ramos, and Leslie Loza.
Number 1 asks,
The opposite angles of a parallelogram is?
our answer is are congruent. Our reasoning is the opposite angles can also be called corresponding angles and or alternate exterior angles. Thank you.
The consecutive angles of a parallelogram is? This parallelogram is congruent. The consecutive angles, also known as supplementary angles, equals 180.
Because of the example, A plus B equals 180, which is supplementary.
The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect the opposite angles. Reason being because it's the only shape that you can bisect besides a polygon and a rhombus.
Go.
The diagonals of a rectangle are perpendicular bisectors of each other.
Number 4. The answer is never true. Reasoning, they are not perpendicular. They do not meet up and do not form a 90-degree angle.
The diagonals of a rectangle are equal in length.
The answer is always true. Reasoning being, they intersect and meet at the same point. They also divide the rectangle into 4 equal triangles.
The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect the opposite angles. Reason being because it's the only shape that you can bisect besides a polygon and a rhombus. The diagonal of a kite bisects the non-vertex angles.
Number 6. The answer is always true. Reason, the non-vertex angles are always congruent.
In a trapezoid, a pair of opposite sides are congruent.
The answer is always true. Reason being, the trapezoid will always have 2 congruent sides which equal to 1 pair.
We decided to do number 8 as extra credit.
Okay, parallelogram PDQR with diagonal line segment PQ given.
Line segment PQ is congruent to line segment PQ because it is the same segment.
Number 3, line segment DR is congruent to the line segment DR, which is the same segment.
Line segment PQ is congruent to line segment QR because according to the corresponding angles conjunction.
Number 5, line segment DP is congruent to line segment QR, which is the opposite sides of the conjecture.
Line segment DQ is congruent to line segment PR due to the opposite sides conjecture.
Angle P is congruent to angle Q, which is the opposite angle conjecture.
Number 8, line segment D is congruent to line segment angle R, which is the opposite angles conjecture.
Number 9, angle PDQ is congruent to angle QRP, which is the same angle side.